Sanmonani Dumelam Kapshen, you are here with Onigiwem Kunu, and I have these two beautiful ladies. They are going to introduce themselves. So, I guess Kalingalana. Hi, sis. Please tell us what you do, what's your name, and everything.
Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Helga, and I'm from Namibia. We're a company called Sandwich Dune Tours and Car Rentals from Walvis Bay, Namibia. We are a tour operator in Walvis Bay. We do activities to the mighty Namib Desert, the Sandwich Harbour activities. We do inbound tours around Namibia and outbound tours as well to our neighboring countries, Botswana, South Africa, Zambia and Zimbabwe.
Thank you, Helga. Thank you. And on my left,
hi, my name is Sarah Johannes, all the way from Namibia, and I'm here to represent my company, which is aboutafrica.co, and I'm based at the South Namib Desert in Sossusvlei, where everyone gets so curious to know where the place is, where you find the dead Vlei itself, the most famous place that everyone wants to see. And also we deal with tours operator and also with excursion, where we get to drive the clients inside the Nakloof Park itself, where you get to see our most national animal, which is the oryx, which survives for 7 days without water. And also you get to see the ostrich, which runs 80 kilometers per hour. Thank you so much.
Sissy, I'm just curious. Can you please tell me what's with the outfits? Please tell me.
Okay, it's actually a mix, but this outfit it's my traditional attire all the way from Angola. I'm Angolan, so I'm a Chimbundu from the province of Wambu. So basically, these outfits, it shows it's a sign of peace, freedom, love, and unity.
Okay, I noticed that around your neck you are wearing ama beads that are South African, that are local, and I relate to these beads. Now tell me, what made you choose these beads?
I got so inspired on how it was created accordingly, and also the pieces of the color, how it got combined, and it just caught my eyes and it's so attractive. So I just said, let me just get it, at least, just to put it also to be like, okay, I love the culture of the South Africans and how they are. One thing I love about the South African, they really respect their culture, and it's something that really caught my attention.
One last question. I see that you are carrying a stick, and that's very unusual in my culture because I'm Zulu, for a woman or a lady to carry a stick. Now, please tell me, what does this stick symbolize in your culture?
Okay, this stick symbolizes as a princess carrying it that leads her group. It's also a sign of which, by when she gives rules, of which the don'ts and the do's. It's actually like I lead and you follow. You follow by my rules, but nothing else. So once I step it on the ground, it's something that you should do or not. So that is a symbolize of the stick.
I think she might have forgotten the part to tell us that she's actually a princess. Let's come to that part. Why did you not mention that? Because that should be the first thing that you start with. Please tell me.
Okay, reason why I said it's a princess. My name Sarah itself, it symbolizes the meaning of a princess. That's why I'm dressed like a princess itself. Yeah.
Okay, it makes sense. It makes sense. I haven't forgotten you, my lady. I have been noticing your head. Please tell me more.
All right. What you are seeing here is the Herero attire. I'm Herero from Namibia. It's one of the tribe in Namibia. So what you see, the headgear, we are cattle headers. So this is obviously the cow's horns that we present. But then if you see, it's more of the let me turn around. So we Herero people adapted the Victorian dress from the royal families there. Back in the 18th centuries, when they came down to Namibia, that's when the Herero attires got to introduce to these Victorian dresses. So, well, most of the young Herero women, they do wear like this. So, yeah.
ayike bahlali ngiyathemba ukuthi nizizwele izintokazi ezinhle la ezimeduze kwami ayike sesiyabonga.